Today's lecture is Atomy Absolute Oil Serum Mist. This mist for supplying frequently nutrition our face. Usually we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and supper or some snack. Usually we supply nutrition frequently, but usually on our face in the morning, apply nutrition cream. Before sleep at night, supplying nutrition cream. That's all. So our skin shortage of nutrition. If we maintain younger skin and anti-aging skin, then we would better supply nutrition for our skin as well, frequently. But usually we apply sunscreen or BB cream or some makeup, but we cannot apply nutrition on makeup base because our makeup break. So for supplying nutrition, we choose mist. Mist just spray on our face. But many brands, many companies sell mist. Almost mist supply for moisturize, just water. Because our skin drier and drier under sun ray or under air conditioner or under fan. But so we need to supply aqua on our skin for prevent dry. But when we supply mist for supplying aqua only, then when they go, they eliminate our skin moisturize many times. If the mist not contain enoughly nutrition, when we supply mist, our skin drier and drier. Many people already know. So many people worry about that, so they not supply mist anymore. But Atomy mist, Atomy have so many kind of mist. This oil serum mist and rose oil mist and cream mist. Every Atomy mist contain very big amount of nutrition. Another brand contain nutrition as much as another brand essence or serum. So some my Chinese partner supply Atomy mist instead of applying lotion. So no need to worry about eliminate skin moisturize. Atomy can supply not only moisturize, but also enoughly nutrition. So if you use Atomy Mist frequently for supplying nutrition on our skin, then you can make your skin de-aging. Go back to aging your skin. One of mist, oil serum mist. I love this oil serum mist the best, and I suggest many people this oil serum mist because Atomy some of cosmetic included EGF, epidermal growth factor. That is make collagen. That is make de-aging our skin. This EGF really expensive ingredient. Especially Atomy EGF, botanical EGF from herb. But other brand EGF from animal. Animal EGF cannot observe well and cannot make effect well. But botanical EGF, very active EGF, and very small molecule EGF. So observe well and effect well. One of this oil serum mist also included EGF. So if you're applying frequently, your skin make collagen and regenerate skin. So make de-aging. One of my member make burn on their shoulder because they go to sea for vacation. But the burn cannot cure well, and the burn makes scar. So my partner worry about that. So they get idea because regenerate, if they make regenerate their skin, then the burn heal really well and prevent scar. So he start to spray this oil serum mist because oil serum mist include EGF, so make collagen, regenerate skin. So and burn site need to supply water well. The burn need water because burn is processing. So for make stop the processing burn need water. This oil serum mist can supply abundant water and EGF and many nutrition for healing the burn site. So this oil serum is really good for supplying nutrition on your face, but not only your face. If you need some healing or regenerate skin, you can spray this oil serum mist every side body. Then you can see really good effect. This nutrition have water size. Oh, this water, not just water. This just extract many nutrition. But oil side, water side divide. So before spray, you have to shake. When you shake, the nutrition make capsule, serum capsule, abundant nutrition serum capsule. Then this capsule spray on your face or on your body. Then observe really well. At once, many nutrition in this capsule and observe at once. So you have to shake and spray. Some people forget shake. Then only you spray fresh water part. And this water extract that water not mixed with pure water. Mix with the herb water. Extract the water, not just pure water, pure nutrition water, herb water. Extract green tea and this snowflake and dragon fruit and this flower and all this fermentation. If herb fermentation make new nutrition. The fermentation nutrition really good for make high immune system, high skin immune system. So make de-aging and make healthy skin. And this good nutrition extract herb nutrition. Okay. Today lecture finish. Let's shout the motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Start. Cherish
Cherish
the
the spirit,
create
create
the
the
vision,
vision,
follow
follow
the
the
faith,
faith,
serving
serving
humility.
humility.
Aja. Thank you. Thank you for attend. See you next year and next Sunday.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.